Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Mueller here with our Read Aloud for today. The title of our story is Bread Comes to Life, a garden of wheat and loaf to eat. It's going to be all about bread. This book is written by George Levinson. He is the author. He wrote the words. And the photography is by Samuel Thaler. They are the illustrator. They're the ones that provided the picture. Bread comes to life. Bread is the food that we eat every day. So many kinds, so many ways. This person is holding multiple loaves of bread. Different types of bread. There's white bread, black bread, small bread, tall bread, thin bread, twin bread, dinner rolls, bread with holes, hard, day-old tough bread, soft, squishy, fluff bread. Kind of shows you all of the different varieties. Bread is toast, bread is crumbs, bread is pizza, bread is buns. How is bread made? Where is it from? Give me a thumbs up if you have ever made bread before. I know that you can make bread in a bag, bread in a bread maker. You can buy it frozen and have it rise. There's lots of different ways. Mixing flour with salt and yeast and sugar. There's all sorts of ways to make bread. It says, this baker makes his bread from scratch by sowing wheat in his backyard patch. Soon those seeds send down roots and sprout into shoots of bright green grass. So this page is telling us how they make wheat. The days pass and that grass grows into sturdy blades, tall and straight, finely made, with budding heads and bristly hair, gently waving in the air. When the crop is ripe and old, the tops are bowed and streaked with gold, and every head of wheat contains many tiny finished grains. Time to cut the golden field, gather up the backyard yield, stack up piles of sun-dried stalks, rub them in the threshing box. It's the simple old-time miller's craft of separating wheat from chaff. What's left are seeds, a hefty load, many times the number sowed, and each new grain of harvest wheat looks just like a loaf to eat. You can see all the seeds. They use those seeds to turn it into flour. Yeast, honey, water, flour, salt, oil, and muscle power. Dump it, thump it, dust it, knead it, squish it, stretch it, toss it. He's tossing the bread. Set it aside to rest and rise. It grows and grows to twice the size. Punch it down, give it some shape, let it rise again, put it to bake. slice it fresh, it's better than cake. Whatever the shape it finally takes, wherever the place it finally bakes, every day we are blessed with a mountain of bread. It's the staff of life. May all be fed. Give me 2 thumbs up if you've ever made bread before. Have you ever had warm bread fresh out of the oven? It is really, really a tasty treat. All right, boys and girls, thanks for watching.